In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your reports. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your report's enterprise or location selected, then click on Reports. From your list, select the report you want to share. Then click on Edit in the top right corner. There are two ways you can share your report. If you want to share it with a specific person, scroll down to the bottom, and next to Access, click Add. Then select the user you want to share this report with. I'll choose Max. If you don't want to share the report with this person, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And then to exit out of this menu, I will choose Close. Now this report has been shared with Max. If you want to share this report with everyone, scroll back up to the top and click the box Shared next to Options. You do need to save these changes, so click Save in the upper right-hand corner. And now this report has been shared with everyone. That's how you can share your report. Check out the next video to learn how to create a chart.